everyone, welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn some Excel tips for printing purposes and saving the PDFs from our Excel sheets. How we can create making attractive documents, attractive PDFs, or printing our documents, printing our sheets, printing our data in Excel sheets. Here I have 50 candidates data, which is for interview purpose. So there is some headers, some all other datas. So if I want to print it, simply I'll press Ctrl P and I will print. But the problem is here the data is spread in 4 pages, but there is not complete in one page. In the one page there is only 6 fields, and the next have the rest of data on the downside, and in the other page there is other 6 or other 5 columns fits. I want fix it with this page A4. Orientation should be landscape, but still it is not fits on in single page all the headers with its data. So we will do fixing all the columns. It fixed here, but I want to headers and footers here. So simply we can add headers and footers here. So for that we'll go back, go to the page layout, printing tiles. We will repeat headers for if our data goes into the second page or third page or numerous pages, we can see the data headers. It advances the readability. So we will click on the field here, row to repeat at top. So we will select the first row and we will go to the header and footer section. We'll create a header, custom header. So in header side I want to show my channel's name, tech, tech learner YouTube channel, and in center I want to leave it blank. Here's some other options we can apply in header section. So we can insert pictures also. If we have logos, we can put logos in the headers of Excel sheet. And here I want to place a okay contact, the dummy number, and email, techlearner at .com. So it's a dummy, so we can place in the actual data here. So we will place is a dummy data. So place in OK, and the margin we will set margin. I want to less here in the left, less here in 0.2 inches. Right, I will minimize top and bottom also, so it will fits the more data, and place horizontally in the center of our page. So I will just click on OK. You can't see any changes here because it is for the purpose of printing and saving in the other documents. So if I press Ctrl P, I can see our header set it here. If I want to put footer here, we can also place it footers. So here is something mistake, we may not good appearance, so I will fix it. I am going in page setup, header, custom header. I placed this section after the line breaking. So I will press delete button to pick in single line. I will place here comma and I'll place okay again. Okay, this it looks great. We can place the data also repeating in the every pages here in the footer. So in the next page our header is also repeated, and our also header sections data is also repeated. So we can save it as a PDF. Simply we can save it and save as a PDF. If you have a upper version than 2007 Office 2007, or you have the version of 2010 and 13, you have the inbuilt PDF shape uh, add-ins added in your Office for your Word, PowerPoint, your Excel sheet, or other applications. We can export as a also as a PDF and XPS. Here, the options. So thanks, friend. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting Tech Learners.